Na emisa wote nano eye kwesiada no on the 7th of December say BBSC wo Benin and eye kubwa esi asrafo bi a omo wo eye Benin asra dom no mu ate wo mo ho a omo etu aban agu a wo mo pese wo no mutu president efriso na so we kaya anya de edikan a ye attempt aba in Africa since 2020 edeba. In fact the year 2020 West Africa Osha Mali ABC in fact Guinea ABC 2021 Sudan, and so that is the northeast Africa, and also ABC wo coup ekoso ho. That's the year 2021. Yechi here Burkina Faso, that is 2022. 2 coups ekoso 2023 attempt by Emma the West African country in the Sahel Burkina Faso coup koso many Traore ena eti edwem a wo ye osrani Guinea Bissau. In fact, before then, Niger nso ede ba so in 2023. Na bra Facebook in 104.5. Enti wo hwe de ye de ato hoyi map yi nyina no a. E kire ba a sa eye ku no nyina no asisi. And in fact, within the French speaking countries no. Guinea Bissau 2025 ya enche ni be na wotwe mienu kra. Ene no so e ma ne homne so. Enanu ye kwesi adai Benin DSO within the West Africa attempted coup a course wa say asrafo ni biko gina national television so say omu ye coup na se de omu na ye in charge. Although the feedback into Uber Facebook we muni asrafo no a omu eko gina national television so nti studio ho no omu no a no omu na so say omu take charge na Sa no me ekoso Africa he ohwe Burkina Faso, Niger, Mali no ne dia akokɔ koso nyina, Guinea Bissau nansen ni Benin die ya enkra ne say anya successful where the president ne foreign minister no so announce say coup no efeli ye de do Benin coup no afeli based on ECOWAS intervention ne other things a ekom enso se ewuram ni ahwa e de pa ne ma this coup cost Africa. In fact, a dear a near see a shannon so, and they say, or maybe a coup pain, or more history of coup no. A yarness will mushe you or kind of mufas do mujuma because a becan the word a possible. 81 some of the causes are and now a bit to factors a bit mere leading to coup our countries, in particularly Africa. I see a country a all history say coup as your country ni mu pay. Esa we are careful e wo na motu mu. Ne etoso mienu country a ohia bubro e koso mu amanfo ho kire wo mo no mo kasa. Na dede na doso na nso e bia mpanimfo e wo mu nti. E the frustration ba. Na a weaken e democracy. Country a ketasese predwin kankan adokro sa wo man no eno nso e country potentially e betumi amaku asie ena oman a otimi tu anamo na okandifo odi man nanim se president etu anamo se obesesa oman ne mra e wa bra empimpi no adodo na ebo anwuso anase nye saa no oman na namote no eno nso timi maku eba it is a better amend the constitution. Say be favor a regime or the particular interests of a certain party and I say a certain candidate or a certain leader. And also a idea to me echo fast our however. Nienshe December 7th, a Benin day. A military committee for refoundation CMR for ya omotu omo free asra for domo a Benin ya omo so omo yekui. Edian ena womoka die ne ko so ye kra Lieutenant Colonel Pascal Tigri we president no fa lieutenant no to so Lieutenant Colonel Pascal Tigri on woda we one lead army no a omote omo so nko omo yeku Benin no ise kra de omo ache omo aka about 14 of the other soldiers no but leader we there Lieutenant Colonel Pascal Tigri no or the ho akawura wo mu hu no ko ku ni failure no ono oda so he said we see ahihye no ho ase wo koi nani abre say one say wo hwe the nti on person wo tu president Patrice Talona unim say oba office since 2016 na de ekofa we nyina ba ne say papa no ayen sanchiraye wo constitution ni mu say we extend a term no presidential term from 5 years to 7 years. So we have strap for no concerns ahodo ni bia we no eka ho bi e na sanse asrafo ni bi ekọ ha mu brand tokwasi e bi wuwi ni ade omo abusuafo aye basa ye moa omo abusuafo no wo hia buburo mu a aban no amfi wo mu ti asrafo ni finsi ya neglect those soldiers enti ha omo eso omo tunu anamo na omo yeku okuro nim afi omo ka security challenges e wo northern Benin enso ye challenge ma omo. These are the reasons omo gina so a omo tunu anamo na ewom se ku na anye successful Emma ECOWAS by muni other help by intino ku no anye successful but there in AC sua wa ha. In fact some countries here said ye Patrice Talon president of Benin ya e de how ba sa countries ni mu a Niger 2009 2010 president Tanja or try to extend the term military coup by Guinea 2020-2021 the same thing Alpha Conde or yes or they call third term military coup in 2021 Osha Burkina Faso 2014 they have a history until America about history no so no Blaise Compaoré if I got the name right and also na mass uprising and yasem ketwa Gabon 2023 President Ali Bongo he tried to extend the term and also see and so there are key patterns actually say this is the president of Benin and Wadasui. In fact term extension bring tension in the system amanfo adwene fa ho ne se opese otwe mmere ni mu a ekire se opese ofa power no ase che se opese term extension se opese o grab power ema obi medibi ema entimi enko baabia anase ode enya wo ho ana wo yema ni favor wo ho enti e ba nipa ni trim e bankrofo tim e ba military fo ni trim e ba bankrofo tim se ne ensacha e bia entimi ma enti no opese o extend the term. So those conversations your history your precedents ya enisi so and recently me who say people are campaigning ema mampani beka ho asem say mampani John Dramani mama beka ho asem say third term no he will not go on ko third term game amanfo be still preach say o to me super majority enti obeya and they will make sure say obeko biem because no ma ekoyie because no ma esisi so nti say ye de no beko biem kra na beya ye and this is telling us say you try see a amend the constitution to a certain direction amaya hodo ama your precedents are happening and Ghana does not need presidential term extension. In fact Mampani Kofi try say they call 5 years it didn't work because Ghanaians no ye feel say utimi hihye no ma yie ema ye independent institutions ni ye o madwuma yie ema ye jai this constitution ye be review mpo a say review no to strengthen our institutions. Say to say independent institutions be to say auditor general Shraj police IGP no many judiciary ni ade no ye betumi aye mra no a ebeye by rank and merit na nko to say president bi aba no wa appointed the ono no pe na nketumi build trust in our institutions no matumi a check it because Obama can say when we have weak institutions entimi ma o man develop it. And that is what Ghana you witnessing. It mean what I wish necessary ye be reviews be amendments be near no ma yenye de betumi a strengthen your institutions ye any extension of terms. If our institutions are strong Iroko ye strong auditor general ye nadwuma shraje ye nadwuma judiciary ni so ye independent devoid of political influence police IGP and I'm ranking mu by merit and your president be ban no be choose the me pe we ni na no strengthen your institutions no be crack the whips where necessary ya e be in the calls for outside the OSP e be no more the political grounds but senka and in the system my mrana strengthens by rank and merit ebema institutions na nya kokudura ya adwuma because nim se mampani bia wo so kra no a me check no because won't me nyimedi enti wo ye corruptor mema mra ne but this time no bebre na suro se be check leaders no because osuro ni position na okura no emra na nhya da money ho ban yi ebetumi atu na ade so and your reviews be your amendments be is to strengthen our institutions, not extension of terms. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama omo mo keka say yi ni nyina no those influential people omo kan nyina ka che omo so munyai because what the kind state say you are not interested into omo nyai nda focus so me who say 4 years is even enough say your institutions need work here 4 years is enough. This precedence so we shouldn't be preaching this one here at the however in Sha 104.5 where you crow you say to the fact checker ewa